Touchdown, baby. Right, the Dean Gaffney for the next week. Let's check it out, mate. Let's check it out. Just me and Fraz chilling here. Bit of grass as well. I'm gonna have a little walk, man. Mate, come on. I did say on the previous clip we splashed out a little bit on the villa. Yeah, nice. Not bad. Little pool. Little double room each. Has it? To be fair, they all look quite similar, don't they? Oh wow. Little chill out living room area. I'm surprised this ain't closed off though, this bit. Like, as in like for aircon, isn't it? That will do, mate, that will do. Little room tour and that. Come on. Bathroom's probably bigger than some of the places we've been staying in. Let's turn this light on. Little get him ready room. Base little walk-in wardrobe. Look how big this is, man. Decent little shower. Cool. I'm real for the next 6 days. Let's go, let's go. Hey! That's it, that's it, that's it, that's it. No, that's it, you did it. Hey. Fuck the padlock, fuck the padlock. Fuck the padlock, Armani. She doesn't want to. No, she doesn't want to. They definitely were. There's no way. Mate, they're going to be absolutely
right, so we've just been told that the winner of this fancy
wins 30 grand. There's no way, mate. That's nuts. Absolute mental, bro. This way, yeah? At least we're making it here for sunset, baby. How big this club actually is, man.
Those big reviews though, I got something online yesterday.
What about?
I think people were like...
Yeah, it's dead in the day.
I've heard great things about this.
Yeah.
Maybe for some people it's alright.
Some people are not like instant music though, are they? morning, people. What's going on? That officially marks the end of the Bali vlog and the Bali trip. I'll be honest, I don't know how much I ended up videoing in the end because for mine and Fraser's trip over Asia, Bali was just a week for us to chill. So obviously we arrived here on Monday, showed you guys the villa. Basically just chilled out for a few days, and then I got Bali belly, which was not ideal, so I was bedbound for like another 2 days. I've got one of those IV drips. I'll see if I can put a photo on the, see if I can edit a photo in, but obviously I won't video any of that. I was just like in a bad way. But then we got up, ready, I was back on form for Friday for Surveyor Club. Honestly, probably one of the best clubs I've ever been to. I'll say that's up there by Ibiza standard. That was like unreal, like the scenes, the music was good, and the only one thing I'll probably say bad about it finished a little bit early. Like Ibiza goes on until 6, 7 in the morning, that shut at like 2 in the morning, which obviously means you've got to get there earlier, because yeah, if it's shut at 2, you rock up at like 10, 11, your night's over before it started. But we still went to a little after party to like 4 or 5, but yeah, I'll see if I can put some clips, because like I said, I didn't really take my camera with me, I was just like videoing on my phone, so I'll see if I can show. But yeah, saying goodbye to this beauty. What a villa. Rest and recovery time was needed after the two month stint of Asia. But exciting things, we're on to Australia now. So we arrive in Melbourne tomorrow morning. Our flight's at 10 tonight, so we've got some time to kill today. Might show you a bit of Denzibar, which I think is the capital of Bali. And yeah, we've got some exciting stuff coming up in Australia, so I'm excited for the next leg. Let's go.